Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 28th of August. And first of all, national news. PM Modi called for global framework for ethical use of artificial intelligence. KAROLINA BIELAWSKA to be first Miss World to visit Kashmir. PM Modi lauded India's 4x400-meter relay team for reaching finals in World Athletics Championships. Centre decided not to allow basmati rice exports below $1,200 per ton. Chandrayaan 3's touchdown spot was named Shiv Shakti Point. Tourists, 4 others fined for entering Gujarat's Gir forest illegally. Rishi Sunak is facing conflict of interest questions over India-UK trade deal. Supreme Court to hear play on raising encroachment near Krishna Janmabhoomi. Artificial intelligence can't substitute human intelligence in legal matters. Delhi High Court. International news. Used encrypted application. Park doctor jailed for 18 years in US over ISIS link. Billionaire Elon Musk planned to visit India in 2024. Handwritten ad by Steve Jobs for Apple One computer sold for Rs 1.4 crore. NASA's Crew 7 mission launched 4 astronauts from 4 countries to space station. Now some sports news. India announced 23-member squad for SAF Under-16 Championship. Indian women beat Thailand 5-4 in Asian Hockey 5's World Cup qualifier. India has entered golden era of chess, will have 100 games soon, AICF chief. Focus on nutrition, tailor-made training for specific opponents, key to HS Prannoy's success. Novak Djokovic and Carlos Alcaraz could meet in US Open final. Did not expect HS Prannoy on claiming first BWF World Championships medal. Star javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra is among the highly rated sports person in India. Now some business-related news. Stock exchanges slap fines on IOC, ONGC, GAIL for failure to meet listing regulations. EFTA looking at reduction in trade barriers on pharma, Swiss chocolate, fish in proposed pact with India. Vedanta won arbitration against government in 1.1 billion cost disallowance case. Government considering inclusion of EVs in priority sector and to help funding access. Chandrayaan 3 boost. L&T aim big on commercial satellite launch business. FDI equity flew into India declined 34% to $10.94 billion in April to June 2023. Now, science-related news. Moon landing done. India now aims for sun launch due in a week. Tropical forest could get too hot for photosynthesis due to climate change. A study said. And that's all in news. Thank you.